What's the weirdest animal on Earth? Here are 5 real creatures you won't believe exist. Barrel-eye fish. Its skull is transparent and its eyes move inside like submarine periscopes. Giant sea spider. Half a meter wide, all legs, and found crawling in the deep ocean. Dwarf sperm whale. When attacked, it releases a cloud of dark gut fluid, like a squid. Bone collector caterpillar. It wears the dead bodies of other bugs as armor to stay hidden. Bathydevious sea slug. It glows in pitch-black water to attract prey with its eerie light. Which one shocked you the most? Comment your pick if you're not too creeped out.